Hey guys, it's Michelle. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some new products that I have been using lately on my hair. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to be doing a twist out on my hair because I asked you guys on Instagram if you wanted to see me do a perm rod set or a twist out, and you guys chose a twist out. And I know you're probably looking like you already have your hair in twist already, but what I did, I actually washed my hair last night and I put the leave-in conditioner in my hair. So that's the only product that I have in my hair right now, but I didn't put in the oil and the cream that I usually use when I do my lock method. So I'm going to be doing that today and just kind of share with you guys my thoughts on the products and how I like them. So yeah, so if you guys ever are like me and you are, I guess, kind of lazy when it comes to your hair, you have a lot of things to do, you can kind of break your wash day up into 2 days if you have the time. So I just washed my hair last night and I'm just gonna finish it up right now. So right now all I have in my hair is the leave-in conditioner, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the other products to my hair now, and it'll probably be a voiceover for the rest of the video, but I just wanted to come on because I haven't really talked to you guys in a while and just kind of explain to you guys what I'm doing. So if you are interested in seeing me complete my classic twist out, then please keep watching.
Alright guys, so the products that I'm going to be using today are from the brand Miche Beauty, and this is their Lavish leave-in conditioner, and this is the one that I applied on my hair last night. And I'm simply going to unravel each twist and then spray it with water so it can activate that leave-in conditioner. And I really enjoyed using it because it did melt away any knots and tangles that I had in my hair and made it very easy to apply these twists. So now I'm going to go in with their polished hair oil and put that on my hair, and then go in with their twisting butter and put that on top. So I'm pretty much doing the lock method that I usually do to my hair, and I really enjoy using these products. They smell so good, and it made my hair really easy to detangle and twist my hair. So yeah, I'm pretty much going to do the same thing to each twist, and then I'll come back on here and show you guys how it came out. And again, the products from Miche Beauty, they are all handmade and very simple with high quality, rich natural ingredients, and it leaves your hair very healthy and strong and beautiful. So yeah, if you are interested in trying any of these products out, I'll make sure to leave a discount code in the description box for you guys so that you can get your hands on them and get some cash off. Guys, so it is the next day. I'm gonna go ahead and use their hair and scalp oil and just put some of that on top of my hair to add some extra shine. And then I'm going to begin to take out each twist and begin to separate them. separated section in the front. This is where I'm going to do that little flat twist going across the front. So I'm going to add some clips just to hold the hair back so it doesn't get into the pieces that I'm twisting. So yeah, I'm just going to take some of this edge control and I'm going to put that on my edges and then comb it or brush it with a little brush that I have and begin to do a flat twist all across the front of my hair. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you are interested in getting your hands on any of these products, be sure to go in the description box and you can find them. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video very soon.